Medications such as tablets and capsules are innocuous-looking objects that may contain a multitude of ingredients for a multitude of purposes, from relieving headaches to more serious remedial actions. Mainstream product they may be, but auditing them for content, methods and quality is a core auditing skill. Let's review how tablets are made, because in practice we'll be auditing a number of independent but vaguely linked processes. Think of tablet manufacture as a 5-stage process, although sometimes not all 5 stages are actually required. It starts with blending, followed by granulation, then drying, compression, and coating. Cross-contamination arising from this dust, which may mean localized dust removal equipment at those places where dust generation is most likely to be generated, and/or an air handling system that has air flowing inwards to contain dust in the rooms where it's being generated. These systems are monitored by pressure differential gauges, mainly magnehelic or photohelix gauges, albeit of loosely connected stages, so when working at full capacity, it may be that when a batch of one product is being blended, another is undergoing granulation in an adjacent room, and so on, through drying, compression, and coating. In some facilities, there may be more than one room for each stage of the tableting process, and there might be a whole range in place, and that responsive maintenance has been recorded and is not excessive, because that could be an indication of more deep-seated problems. There should be cleaning records, and all measuring instruments should have been calibrated and be within calibration. Check that batch records are maintained and that they are essentially error-free. Potent pharmaceuticals, the amount of active in each tablet is very small. Of course, effective blending of the various ingredients leans heavily on the ingredients themselves being of fairly uniform particle size. However, when excipients such as microcrystalline cellulose and cornstarch and lactose are shipped in sacks and on pallets, they may settle and form clumps. Several advantages. First, because it's the spoonful of sugar which helps the tablet go down, it masks the taste of the pharmaceutical active ingredient. Beta-lactam antibiotics, penicillins and cephalosporins have a distinctly foul taste even in minuscule amounts. Coating may contribute to easier handling during packaging, and sometimes it contributes to better stability, and any water used should be of pharmacopoeia purified water grade. With both types of coater, verify that the speed of rotation and the temperature within the coater is specified and maintained. In modern film coater, the auditor should check the delivery pressures for the coating solutions and for the compressed air.